Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to share prototypes in Behance. To do this is pretty simple. So here I am in Behance, and if you want to share your work or share your prototype, of course you will have to become a Behance Pro user. But I'm going to show you how to do it anyways. So here we are going to create our own work. So let's just build a project right here. So this is going to be our prototype. And let's just say we want to add an image right here. So let's just go with a random image right here in my gallery. So let's just pick a random one right here. So let's just see. So we're using this for example. And as you can see that it's being uploaded right here. And let's say we want to actually share our own prototype here in Behance. So when you share your work, all you have to do actually is here. There's going to be a link only and you can share this link right here. But of course, you will have to be a pro user here in Behance. So you can start your 7-day free trial right here and you can do so. So once you set link right here, you can set it to be an exclusive link and you can share this to anyone by sharing it to an email or another user here in Behance, and basically they will be able to get this link once you share it to them. So you can also do image, text, photo grid, audio, embed, and Lightroom prototypes and many much more. As you can see right here, the prototype, let's just say you wanna do from Figma, Marvel, CodePen, and many much more. Then when you share it, just do this link only and then you'll be on your way. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.